welcome to our channel. So today we are going to watch an entry from Norway where Angelina Jordan lives. So I think a lot of you guys knows Angelina Jordan. So we are very, very excited to watch one of the artists from Norway, Subwoolfer. And this is the entry to go to Eurovision 2022. And yeah, so he's gonna sing Give That Wolf a Banana. My already
Very exciting title.
title. So wait, so Subwoolfer is a group or a one person? Maybe a group. A group, maybe. This two.
I think the two who were there with the wolf, maybe
think.
those are just background dancers. I'm not
Yeah.
I'm not sure because I don't know anything about the group, but yeah.
It's like TikTok dancers. Nice. They're not just a singer. They're also like dancers.
The whole performance is there, and also the song is good. It's a bit comedy, like a bit funny, you know. But especially in the song, I like the flute or something. I like that. That's a nice catchy thing that they put in there.
Give the whole wow. I like the performance.
Gotta say, is this like a sort of also a reference? Not a reference, but sort of the same like Daft Punk, because they also always wear how do I say that? Helmets and like masks and stuff. And the DJ guy has an astronaut sort of back, and Daft Punk also did that. So I'm not sure that it's like that, but you know, for me it seems like
the same vibes.
Yeah, the same thing, because Daft Punk always did that also. So it's very interesting.
I like their dance moves. It's like with something meaning or something, no? God.
Wow.
Crazy.
Crazy good, you mean? Because that was it's good, you know. There's like some, like I said, some comedy, like humor in their song. Great dance performance.
Really a good performance.
Good beat, good song. Yeah, it's nice.
I think it's not just the two, no, the Subwoolfer. I think the 5 of them maybe.
Maybe.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Maybe.
I know it's an existing group, I guess, because otherwise they wouldn't be. But yeah, it's nice.
Good choice.
It's nice. Good choice also.
Norway. Very talented artist there. Yeah. So yeah, we are excited to watch them in finale.
Yeah. In the final.
In the final
from Eurovision.
And hoping for Norwegian to that they're gonna
get very far or even win.
that you can win.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, if you do want to watch with us, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice weekend.